Hello everyone, welcome to Just Math. Today we'll be looking at even and odd functions. Now, what is an even and an odd function? Well, an even function states that if we have opposite inputs, its corresponding values or its y value would have the same output. We will see this later when we explore graphs. An odd function states that if we have opposite inputs, its corresponding values would have opposite outputs. Now, let's look at some graphs. Now, let's look at the graph of y is equal to sine x. If I was to take a sine graph, this is not accurate, but if I was to take, let's say, the point x is equal to 5 and minus 5 on both sides, we can see how it results in opposite y values or outputs. Let's look at a linear graph now. It's the same thing if I was to take 5 and minus 5 on both sides, so opposite inputs, it will result in the same, or should I say, the same behavior as the previous one, where it's opposite outputs. What about an even function? If I was to take 5 and minus 5, we can see how it would result in the same y value, the exact same. It is also evident in an absolute function, absolute value function, where if I was to take minus 5 and 5, it would result in the same y value.